Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share a folder from one PC to another PC. So this is if they're both on the same network, so you can easily access the files. So first, simply locate the folder that you want to share. Next, you can then right click it and select Properties. From here, you can then click on Sharing, then Advanced Sharing. So simply check Share this folder, give it a name, and click Permissions to set access rights. Now next, once you're on the other PC, you can then open File Explorer, then type either one of these two prompts into the address bar. And once you do that, you can then press enter and you should be able to see the shared folder appear. So if prompted, you can also enter the username and password of the first PC. So once connected, you can then copy, edit, or use the files based on the permissions you've set. So after this, your folder will then be successfully shared and the other PC can access it anytime while both on the same network. And that's it. So that's how to share a file from one PC to another. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.